And DJT squeeze from our resistance that we discussed yesterday on our hunter channel and our chart analysis update. As you can see here from this flag, we warned our hunter for the breakout from the 22 or the $22, and of course we hit our target and we took already our profit for DJT already, and we did another chart analysis update, and we discussed it of course on our live streaming for the resistance just below the $25. So guys, we're going to discuss DJT and where the price will squeeze. Is that it? Are we going to have another pump up? Because we have many major news, and of course one of them is launching the application, new application for Trump Media technology. Yeah, launching an Android streaming app. So this is one of the good news that we heard for today, and this is what we missed in order for DJT to break finally from the $22 and see what's happened here. Once we break the $22, we did almost 10%. So let's get right to it. Let's hit the like button on the way in, of course, and subscribe, because we always go live every day. If you want to have early hunt and early access to our Discord and our live streaming that we do daily, and of course catch those stocks that we trade daily. Today we discuss this one that we suggest to exit before the market open, because after that we flushed. This stock, I think, is called TPST, of course, and we had traded it before the price pulled back. Let me just show you exactly what's happened here, because this is was a good lesson for our hunters. TPST got flushed big time. Look at that. It's big time. Went down until the $1, and the price was on around the $2. And we discussed it in our live streaming today, where we discuss the exits from this stock early on. And let me just show you what's going on, man. This was really good. We entered here for TPST, of course, and we took profit around this level, the $1.90. And of course, we discussed the entry around the $1.77, around this orange line, or the green, the orange line, yes. And we discussed the breakout and the profit taken around the 193. So this was almost 4 hours ago, or 2 hours before our live streaming and before the market opened for this entry. And guess what? After we hit our profit taken, this stock gave up and went down big time from the $2 where we took our profit. Let me just show you again. We exited exactly around the 192, and after that we flushed. So that's why we always warn our hunter, trading in the market is really risky, so you have to know when to exit, when to enter. Otherwise, you're gonna lose a lot of money. And again, this is not the financial advisor. You always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. This is out the way. Let's get right to it and discuss DJT, because we're not gonna discuss TPST. TPST is game over for today. The link in the comment section below, of course, if you want to join our live streaming and our early chart analysis update for many stocks. So DJT, guys, looking pretty good. We have first buyer came right there around this breakout from this flag. The second buyer came just right there around the 22.89, and the third buyer, we're waiting for the third buyer right now, guys, around the 24.50 for DJT. I'm not saying Donald Trump is buying right now. I'm not want to pump the stock, but I think there's someone buying big time right now for DJT, because if we go back in the big picture, guys, maybe even Elon Musk buying this one right now. Because look, we have this bearish channel for DJT. We broke from it here around October, 1st October, and this was the game over to short game over for the short seller, because we reversed from the $12 back in October until now 100%, and we still pumping every day. We have 115 no, not 100, 10%, 15% every day. This is really crazy since beginning or the end of September until right now, beginning of October. So the run, the bullish run or the bullish squeeze is still on, as long as first we said we should hold over the 18. Now we have another support for DJT around the 2040, and the other support that we should hold to continue this massive squeeze is, of course, the first one. It is around the 22. Let me just check again. Yes, around the 22.89. So I need the price to go down, guys, in order to refuel before I continue to go up again toward the 25.50, because right now we have overextension for DJT. 16% is big for DJT right now. In order to have another jump, the healthy way is to pull back. So where's the target? Yes, we have the 25.50 as a psychological target. Even if we squeeze from the 24.50, we have the 25.50 as the ultimate target, at least for today. And the support, it is around the 22.89. And some of you say, okay, Jesus, if the stock squeeze, why are we selling? Why we take just 10% profit? Because we have hidden sellers, we have dark pools, we have a lot of things could happen that make the price get shorted big time. Because if you see in the big picture, we got shorted big time from the 100 in the big picture, so we're still heavily shorted. And of course the major resistance is just below the 25, so there's a big resistance between the 24 and the 25, and now we testing this massive resistance. So it's not over yet. It's not confirmed that we entered a bullish run yet. That's why we suggest always on our 100 channel to take profit and then enter if the price pull back for better entry and safer entry. Because if you don't take profit, if the price pull back on you, you're gonna lose your initial entry plus interest, or you like the money that you put, and plus the pullback. So we don't want to see this happening in trading, guys. If you want to be a better trader, it's not about making money, but it is how good you are with losing money. What I mean about that, I mean, if you want to lose money, you have to know how much. You have to have a limited stop loss. Let's say 5%, 10%. If the price hit, you get out. No question. However, the profit taken is unlimited. So we could do train stop. If you don't want to exit, we can do train stop. Okay, this is different story. But always the stop loss should be limited. I'm not averaging down. I'm not saying buying the dip there and just hold. Even if the price pull back, you just hold. This is not wise, because after that we're gonna be on the mercy of the stock and the news. Here we enter and exit, we take profit, because there's always opportunity in the market. So guys, if you want to know how to enter and exit, and of course protect your profit, the link in the comment section below if you want to enter with us early, because the market maker always buy before the market open. Sometimes, yeah, they stay because they have some news for some stocks or whatever, but most of the time the best entry for many stocks is in the pre-market. And the best example for that was TPST, which jumped and then right now dumped down and never recover after we took our profit around the $2. Right now $1, lost almost 50% from this value. So be careful, guys. The market is really dangerous. However, it's dangerous more for the traders who don't know how to exit and how to enter. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time on our live streaming. If you don't know, now you know. Every day we do our live streaming to trade the market live. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update. And of course, let me know in comment section below what's the price target for DJT for this month. Are we gonna see over the 25, or are we gonna have a pullback toward the 21 and the 20? Let me know in comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.